Lego world. This is Lego Girl here. I finally finished the Lego Creator 3-in-1 Adorable Dogs. I did the ones on the front. The little blue puppy right here, and then the 3 tall puppies, and then you got the ball, the red ball right here, the bowl with the little doggy treats. So here is the review of all of them done in 3, 2, 1. There they are. All of the adorable doggies. Here's the little blue one. Isn't he cute? And then you got the big doggy. Arf, arf. Isn't he cute? The feet move, the head moves, and so does the tails on all of them except the little blue guy. So here's the other one. Same thing. His legs moves, his head moves, and so does his tail. Another one. And then got the Pluto doggy with the leash. So here she is. Arf, arf, arf. Isn't it so cute? And then you got a little brush to brush them. But what you're going to brush them with is a Lego brush. The little doggy bowl with the treats or doggy food in it for them. If it stops rolling away, the little doggy ball. And then the little green doggy bone. So for now, that's my review on how adorable these little doggies came out. You got him, you got him, and then you got the Pluto with doggy. Well, they're falling. I guess they want to go to sleep along with the leash. And then this little guy. So there they are. They are completely done, and I will be putting them in my Lego town tonight. So for now, Lego Girl out.
Videos. Thanks for watching. Lego Girl out.